Coffee machine. You put your Nespresso capsule over here, close it, turn this on. When this stops blinking, it will be ready and hot. You put your little cup over here and then on, and it will start taking your coffee. Then after, pull it up. From here you can empty the capsules, and this is the deposit, which you can take off like this, pull it up and then put it back here.